Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. So the spring-summer season is coming up. It's quite chill right now and we are in quarantine. It's 2020, like most of the world. So we have to fill our time, free time in the house, to do some projects. So my project for today is to make more enjoyable my side part of the car, my terrace, and fill it up with music stereo that have a Wi-Fi connection, as like my last project, the wine box boombox. I put the link here up. And so how we can do it? Let's make this project. Here what we need: 2 sheets of acrylic that I have already cut in measure, a C to DC converter, this one is a 24 volt for 6 amp, this one is for the audio amplifier, this one I have 2 output but one is enough. The amplifier, it's a stereo amplifier, 120 watt per channel. A 5 volt AC to DC converter, this one is for the Wi-Fi receiver. A Wi-Fi switch that I use to switch off and on the system with the Home Assistant. And finally the Wi-Fi receiver, this one is up to strip mini made by Relic. All these components are in the description if you want to buy it. So I put all the components on one acrylic sheet to see if they fit perfectly. Then I, with a marker, I sign the position of the screw. Then I clamp the 2 sheets together in order to make the holes.
Tomorrow feels a year away, like the seconds, the beginning and the end. But if in time it's yesterday, your picture's gonna bring it home to me again. The world is waiting up.
On the sheet of beneath the component, I will drill more holes to keep in position all the components.
The world has got in store. I wanna take it all in, I'm falling.
And now we can screw in position with the ampli and distancer all the components on the acrylic before starting soldering all the wires.
I'll see the Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights.
First of all, I have to solder the electric wire on the 5 volt AC to DC converter, and also the wire with the plug for the Wi-Fi receiver. And then I can plug the audio cable from the up-to-strip mini to the amplifier. The next step is to join all the input cables from the AC to DC converter into the Wi-Fi switch that unfortunately don't have any holes for the screw, so to fix it on the acrylic I have to use the old lovely hot glue, always really useful in a different kind of situation. And now we can end with the last wiring connection on the board and hide some cables beneath the PCB, so to have a cleaner and tidy wiring. For the second part of this project we need a box EP65 at least, because we need to put all this stuff outside, and I test if it fits all the parts, and I make the holes for the cable tighter on each side of the box for the AC inlet and the audio outlet. After taking the measure of the stereo, I make some hole inside the box so I can fix it inside. And don't forget to label at least one of the two audio cable of left or right channel in order to remember which one is it. Now we can move outside and choose the place where to put our stereo, mark the point and make the holes so we can fix the box on the wall. We put some silicone to make it quite waterproof. We can cut the inlet wire, and also we have here an outlet wire for another project I will show you in some next video for a tent Wi-Fi controller. And now we can wire up all the AC wire. After connecting everything to the Wi-Fi, the switch and the Wi-Fi receiver, it's good to fix the maximum volume on the amplifier so we don't have to touch it in the future. Then we can proceed with the audio cable till the point where we want to put our speaker. Now we can zip tight the bracket of the speaker and then put the speaker. And at the end, plug the cable in the speaker. So the project is not so difficult at last, and after you connect everything, you just sit down, open your, like myself, Spotify, choose the device. In my case, I call it stereo terrazzo. Terrazzo is the way Italian calls the terrace, and play the music. Enjoy your outside music. Have a nice day and see you next time. Bye.